Hey everyone, welcome back. So if you've seen my previous video, you've seen the RGB mouse and the RGB mouse pad. Today, we're going to be checking out and unboxing the RGB Mechanical Keyboard. So for those of you who don't remember, this is the RGB mouse and RGB mouse pad. So this is it right here, the 86 key RGB Mechanical Keyboard. Let's open it up. Alright, so this is how the keyboard looks like. Bam, it says, from a player to the winner. And there goes what it says about there. I can read that. Let's open it up. And we move that. That's how it looks like. Oh my god! The clickety clacks. Oh, this is a compact 86 key keyboard. Hcman. Backlit. RGB. The keycap remover. Anyways, well, we got rid of that. So this is how it looks like. No, it's not hooked up yet. That's the mouse. I mean mouse pad. This is how it looks like from the back. How many of you use this when these things are down? These prop up things. Because I never do. That's the mouse pad, the paddings to keep it from moving. Let's hook it up. Alright guys, this is how it looks. It's about the size of the mouse pad. Same thing. This is the 86 key, not the 104. I didn't need all the extra 18 keys on this. I never use them. So I usually just stick to these. The only ones I use. According to the user manual right here, it says that it has N-key rollover, anti-ghosting of any 6 keys, multimedia functions, 9 different lighting modes, office functions, backlit recording, and keyboard lock function. So let's test out all 9 lighting modes, alright? Let's check them out. Alright, let's try it out. It's pulsating mode. This is with the F9 and the FN. There's only one on that I see here, the Windows. Next one. Next one. Next one. Like waves. Next one. Next one. I think that's off. That's for that one row. Next one. Next one. Yeah, this is off. That would be all of them. And this is how it's going to look like when it's at nighttime. This is how it looks like with the lights off or at nighttime. All different functions. Pulsating mode. You could also increase the speed of it. For right now, we're just checking out how they all look. Next one. Next one. That's how it looks like at nighttime. So everyone, that was the RGB Mechanical Keyboard by Hcman. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the like button. They really helped me out. Have a great day. Till next time. Later.